next up, mystery machines for lab rat. Check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now Control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. In this, we need to gather intel from the computers at YBL1. Simple enough, let's head across to YBL1 in the southwest corner of the map. Zooming in, I'd recommend you use the secret entrance. The thing that you need is on the bottom floor, and you don't need a key in order to grab it. Of course, once you go in, it's a one-way. You're not going to be coming out unless you fight your way out. Alright, so pushing our way up here. Never seen a guard out here. That's pretty interesting. We'll make our way up towards this secret entrance and dropping down here, making our way through, left down here. We should eventually find this, which takes us pretty much straight to where we need to be. Of course, just keep in mind, there are lots of bots down here. Alright, so clearing out enough guards to, come on, make our way towards this room over here. Inside of this communication room here on the bottom floor, you may find another guard inside of here, but you'll also find a bunch of computers. In this room, you'll find this computer right over here with a lamp right next to it. We can access the data on it. It's on the eastern side of this room, and once we've done this, that's it. We'll need to extract the floppy disk, so place it in your back pocket and get back to base. Of course, you'll need to fight your way out, and once we're back, we can hand it over, and there you go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.